on the road. This big tractor is bringing a trailer full of supplies to the farm. The driver sits high up in the tractor's cab. This helps him see into the distance. Watch out, there's a monster truck racing over a ramp. Brrr. Monster trucks are so big they can crush a car. Lots of people are speeding into the city on the busy train. Trains run along smooth, shiny train tracks. This truck honks his horn as it waits to cross the train tracks. Trucks need to have a lot of wheels because they are used to carry heavy loads. Look, a noisy helicopter is hovering in the sky. Helicopters can fly in any direction, even backwards. Look, both ways. This sports car is driving down the road. Drivers have to stop if a traffic light is red. When it turns green, they can drive on. The lights are flashing on these police cars. They are on the way to an emergency. The loud siren warns other drivers to move aside and let the police car pass. Coming through, this fire truck zooms past other cars to reach the fire. A fire truck carries firefighting equipment such as a ladder, a hose, and a water tank. The dump truck crashes and clanks as it pours out gravel and dirt. A dump truck can lift up one end to dump out its load. This bulldozer is flattening the ground. Bulldozers use their big front blades to move soil or stones.